What's good with y'all, man? Nostalgia New World Order coming out with the banger. I made these pants a while back, maybe some years back. The skills done increased, so I feel like we need to go back into them, make a better pair. The last video I made was like the J-cut flare pants. We're just gonna do stacked, flare, and add the zipper in. I just said all those words. I had to show y'all before we started. These are the ones we're doing, but we're revamping, so let's go.
All right, so right here, I'm just cutting the legs out. This is my front leg. And then the back leg, you know, a little flare on it, a little stack on it. And then this is me cutting everything extra. I really don't know why the sun glared me out like this. The sun really violated me and I feel some type of way about it, but we just gonna ignore that.
I'm not even gonna cap to y'all. I did my front pockets off camera because if I would have messed those up, I would have been just devastated. But now we just gotta throw these back pockets on and the fake fly front.
So boom, boom, boom. You see me heat pressing the back pockets, trying to get them nice and flat so I can sew them on.
Just knocked out both back pockets. Now we can move on to the fake fly. And the only reason I say a fake fly is because I'm going to do the long zipper down the side of the leg. So that's why I don't need a real fly. All right, so I got the fake fly front on. I just want to show you how long this zipper really be because I take space out of it and it's still extra long. You can go ahead and get these from Walmart. I believe it's 36 inches, the extra long zipper. But yeah, let's go ahead and I guess throw it on there.
So this is the same technique I used in the last video. I'm sewing the zipper onto the back, cutting the fabric in the front and folding it over and sewing it down.
All right, so there we go. We got the zipper on, but now I'm in a dilemma because I want to put something to make it more comfortable on the back all the way down, but I also want to be able to zip the pants all the way down. So if I add something on the back, it'll constrict how far it can be zipped open. So I guess I'll just go like halfway up with something to make it comfortable and then stop like right around here or something. We'll see. All right, so we finished them up. Got the pouch on the back, kind of started it where the pocket starts, still unzips at the top. Now all we got to do is assemble them, throw them together.
Boom, so this is the construction. One leg, two leg, sew them up.
Both legs are separately assembled. I just got to put them together. But I have to deal with this first, bro. I wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy. I have to unthread this machine because I have no thread left. And then put it on the serger, serge up the spots I got to serge, throw it back on the sewing machine, sew up the spots I got to sew, throw it back on the serger, serge up the last spots. So let's do that. They're all put together. I'm gonna throw them on, see how they fit. Try to come back over here, do the waistband later, and we'll have a full pair of pants. Yo, so I just threw them on. All I have now left to do is the waistband and the belt loops, but they fit a little too perfect. Yeah, I know you never heard that before, but yes, they fit perfect. They came straight out of a factory, tailored factory. But yeah, man, I'm gonna throw on the belt loop, throw on the waistbands. Y'all stay to the end, because I'm not showing y'all to the end. Okay.
No.
I got a new fit on, same day though. All I gotta do is interface this waistband, throw that on. So let's get into it.
All right, so right here, all I'm doing is cutting that interface, ironing it down to my fabric, and then I'm folding my waistband over and ironing that as well.
Just prepped them up, got them sewed up, I'm turning the corners. You just go ahead and throw this boy under the machine. And I think instead of doing the belt loops, these fit so crazy. They fit too good, bro. I can't emphasize that enough. Like, my God. But since they fit so crazy, I might just do a little string through the waistband. I won't really need belt loops unless I like lose weight or gain weight or something. I might just do a string through the belt loops. But go ahead and throw the waistband on now. So let's do that.
I threw on the waistband, bro. I was so sure of myself. I knew it was gonna fit, but apparently my measurements were off by like 2 inches. So I had to stop like right here and then add some more fabric in. But other than that, that was it. That was the last part. You know what the next part is. Here you go.
Thank you. Thank you right there. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. Thank you for making it all the way to the end, because now I can show you this. I can show you what I was talking about when I was saying they fit way too good. Like, you know, if somebody told me these came out of an Asian factory where someone's only getting paid 2 cents an hour, I wouldn't bat an eye. I'd believe them. But no, I made these. Y'all saw me. Reverse the video if you didn't see me. But yeah, I made these. The zipper is zipping. It doesn't go down as far as the last pair because of the comfort. But hey, I can't complain. It is comfort. Y'all didn't see the closure I did because my phone died. But I just did a little fold over flat with a button vibe. Got my front pockets here, got my back pockets. Man, these are the one, bro. I'm really proud of this piece. I haven't made a piece this good in a long time. Seen it with the all-American silhouette. Like a 2023 biker. I'm changing it up on y'all. I don't know what shades of gray is. This is tints of tan. That's what this is on my Prince of Persia. But yeah, man, really, I'm glad y'all made it to the end because no one told you to. You really didn't have to. So I appreciate you for that. Because you're changing my outlook on life. I used to never think I'd be able to do any of this, but anybody can. Truthfully, anybody can. And that's why I do it, to tell you guys that you can. Tap into my socials if you want to see some behind the scenes, know what clothes I'm dropping, all that good jazz. But other than that, man, remember the past, because that's who made you the person you are today.